Kilkenny, I called on Miss Brown. She was up in her bath and she couldn't come down. Oh, says I, slip on something and come down here quick. Oh, she slipped on the soap and came down in it. Tick tooraloo, toorally. I went to the market to buy a wee hen, for I thought I might like a wee egg now and then. But the very next morning I got a great shock. Says the hen, I can't lay for the cob, I'm a cock. Tooraloo, toorally. As I was out walking down the main street, I met a wee lad with no shoes on his feet. I took pity on him then and there. I walked into a fruit shop and I bought him a pear. Tooraloo, toorally. I dreamt I'd die